Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, is a well-maintained full-size pickup with 211,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior, gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Equipped with a 4x4 system and a 5.7 LTBI engine enhanced by a Geneva aftermarket conversion, the truck has undergone extensive including brand new BFG Co. 03 tires with less than 1,000 miles, along with refreshed ignition and fuel system components such as a new distributor, fuel injectors, IAC valve, EGR, and map sensor. Additional updates include AC Delco cap, rotor, spark plugs, and wires, as well as new sensors, vacuum hoses, throttle body components, and routine maintenance like an oil change and air filter replacement. Further improvements include a new brake booster, master cylinder, steering right joint, AC compressor, and windshield for better comfort and reliability. The truck also features an upgraded sound system with speakers, subwoofer, and amplifier, rides on American racing wheels, and includes added accessories like a light bar and ditch lights.
Number 2.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $9,500. It has been driven 139,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a bold red exterior that stands out on the road, complemented by a clean gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a highly capable 5.9L 360 V8 engine. Notably, this is not a clone model, and it represents a limited production variant, as it is among the few small trucks ever manufactured with a high-output V8 engine. It runs and drives very well, with reliable engine performance and smooth handling.
The air conditioning system blows cold, ensuring comfort in warm weather. In addition to its solid current condition, the truck also comes with a brand new Beltec track suspension kit, which allows for a 2-inch drop to enhance both stance and handling. This kit is still in its original box and has not yet been installed, giving the next owner the flexibility to customize the vehicle to their preference. Furthermore, the vehicle includes several upgraded and replacement components, such as slotted brake rotors, new brakes, springs, and shocks, along with additional parts. Number 3.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,900, powered by a 4.0L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. It has been driven 174,000 miles and comes with a blue exterior complemented by a tan interior, running on gasoline. The truck starts up without issues and runs and drives well, making it a reliable option for daily use or light-duty work. The vehicle has recently undergone several important maintenance updates that enhance its overall condition. These include a new clutch and clutch slave cylinder, a complete front-end rebuild with replaced ball joints, tie rod ends, and control arms, as well as new brakes. These upgrades contribute to improved handling, smoother operation, and increased driving confidence. Altogether, the combination of its key features and recent repairs reflects a well-maintained vehicle that continues to perform reliably on the road.
Number 4. 1977 GMC 1500, price $8,550, featuring a classic gray exterior complemented by a warm brown interior that enhances its vintage appeal. This truck is powered by a robust 8-cylinder engine and has approximately 158,000 miles on the odometer. Despite its age, the vehicle remains in good running condition, with its registration fully up to date, and it successfully passed a smog inspection about 7 months ago. The truck is not only a collectible classic but also practical enough to be used as a daily driver. Its strong V8 engine provides dependable performance, while its well-maintained mechanical condition ensures reliability for everyday use.
The combination of its timeless design, solid build quality, and road-ready status makes it an appealing option for those who appreciate classic American trucks.
Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, that has accumulated 258,076 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging and controlled driving experience. It features a classic gold exterior combined with a clean beige interior, giving it a timeless and practical look. Running on gasoline, this truck is known for its efficiency and reliability. In terms of features, the vehicle is equipped with air conditioning for added comfort, along with electric cooling fans and a heavy-duty 3-row radiator that help maintain optimal engine temperature even under demanding conditions.
The tires are in excellent condition with approximately 90% of their lifespan remaining, and the semi-new rims enhance both appearance and durability.
It also comes with a 5-speed transmission system, providing smoother gear transitions and better performance on the road. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 4.3L Vortec engine, which delivers a solid balance between power and fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for long-term use.
Additionally, the vehicle includes a sound system, adding entertainment and convenience for the driver and passengers. Number 6. 1998 Ford F-150, price $5,500, with only 56,000 miles on the odometer, making it a relatively low-mileage example for its age. It features an automatic transmission paired with a robust 5.4L V8 gasoline engine and a two-wheel drive setup. The truck comes in a classic white exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a simple yet timeless appearance. The vehicle has recently undergone several important maintenance updates to ensure it remains in excellent running condition. It is equipped with a brand new, fully replaced air conditioning system that blows ice cold. In addition, it has just received an oil change along with new brake pads, contributing to improved safety and performance. The tires are also in great shape, with only around 2,000 miles of usage, indicating minimal wear and long remaining lifespan. Number 7. 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,995. It is equipped with a robust 5.2L Magnum V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This vehicle has been driven for 96,000 miles and runs on gasoline, making it a solid choice for those seeking a balance between power and reliability. The truck stands out with its green exterior, which gives it a classic yet bold appearance, while the black interior adds a clean and timeless touch to the cabin. Inside, the vehicle is designed with comfort and space in mind, offering generous room and seating capacity for up to 6 passengers, making it suitable for families, work crews, or long trips. Includes air conditioning to ensure comfort in various weather conditions, power steering for easier maneuverability, and a tilt steering wheel that allows cruise control is also available, providing added convenience during long-distance travel by maintaining a steady speed. Additionally, the Dolby sound system delivers quality audio. Number 8. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,300. It has been driven 163,000 miles. It features a 4.0L inline-4 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior comes in a classic green finish, complemented by a clean gray interior. The vehicle has received several important upgrades, including a new AC compressor, motor mounts, power steering pump, alternator, as well as a new clutch and transmission, ensuring dependable mechanical condition. It also comes with brand new tires that are still under warranty and is equipped with a tow hitch, making it practical for hauling needs. Inside, the truck has been kept in a non-smoking environment, and both the air conditioning and heater work perfectly, providing comfort in all weather conditions. With no leaks and no mechanical issues, this Ford Ranger runs exceptionally well and is ready for its next owner. Number 9. 1984 Toyota pickup, price $5,500. It has been driven 138,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a gasoline engine. The truck comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and distinctive look. As an extra cab 2WD model, it offers additional space and practicality. It is the R6SXCB variant, featuring the durable 22RE engine paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle has recently undergone a tune-up and received new brakes, and it runs and drives very well. Exterior upgrades such as a Lund sun visor, pop-up sunroof, rocker trim body kit, and American Racing 14-inch wheels with approximately 90% tread remaining add to its visual appeal and functionality. Additionally, it comes with a custom topper bed camper, with an optional Lear tonneau cover available as an alternative. The interior is exceptionally clean and original, with all features in proper working condition. Number 10. 2000 Ford F250, price $2,900, equipped with a 7.3L Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine and an automatic transmission. The vehicle has been driven 120,000 miles and comes with a clean title. It features a white exterior, while the interior color is gray. As a 2WD truck, it runs well with zero blow-by, and the transmission shifts smoothly, indicating solid mechanical condition. Additionally, it is fitted with a gooseneck hitch, making it suitable for towing needs. However, the truck currently has a water pump leak that may require attention. Overall, its key features include a durable diesel engine, smooth transmission performance, good running condition, and towing capability, making it a practical choice for work or hauling purposes.